Take a ride in the 2018 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, overhead console, retained accessory power, rear floor mats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.